Do you have a large scuff on your vehicle and you're not sure how to fix it? Well, we have the perfect solution and I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage, where we show you how to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage. Now I have my vehicle in the Dupli-Color Garage. This is my 2015 Toyota 4Runner that I just recently purchased as my daily driver. And just like any other older vehicle, this being 10 years old, it's going to have its bumps and bruises and of course some chip paint and some wear going on. So we have a big old chip right here, black on the white. This stares me in the face every single time I look at it, and I want to take care of that today. And I'm going to do that using our perfect match system, where we have our primer, our color, and a clear coat. Now, to ensure the exact color match, I had to find out what the color code is of this vehicle. Now, the color codes are located on the ID tag, typically located in the driver's side door jamb. This vehicle, that's where it was located. So I found the code, it was 040. I went to Dupli-Color.com, punched in the color code. You could also use your year, make, and model to enter that in. We found out that 040 was Toyota Super White. Grabbed ourselves a can, and now we're ready to get going. Now before I get started, I have to make sure the surface is clean. There are so many bugs, a lot of dirt on here, and a good clean surface is where we need to start, because prep is the most important part of any paint project. Now I'm going to do so by using some soap and water and our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to get things going here. I start off by scuffing the surface using a combination of 400 grit sandpaper and a red scuff pad to create a mechanical bond for the paint to adhere to. I then used compressed air to blow off the sanding dust, and then used our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to remove any remaining dust residue for a clean surface. If needed, mask off any areas you don't want painted and to protect from overspray. All right, so what I did was I washed it down with the soap and water and then started sanding with 220 grit paper, followed by 400 and then the red Scotch pad. Once I started on this mark here that we were originally going to focus on, I saw that there were all sorts of chips and scratches and gouges on the rest of this entire front surface. So it only made sense to go ahead and do the entire front piece, because while we're here, why not do it right the first time? So now, since I'm all good and clean, wiped it down with the foaming prep spray, have it all masked off, now I'm ready to put down the perfect match primer. Now this is a system approach to get that exact color match. You have the primer, the color, and the clear coat. Now we will have small little tiny chips and nicks that we couldn't sand out, so this primer is a filler primer. It's going to take care of those little voids. We're going to get that down and let it dry. Then we're going to follow it up with the color coat. We'll lay down about 2 coats of that until we have full coverage, let that dry, and then we're going to follow that finally with the gloss clear. All 3 steps will ensure that exact color match and get you a nice result and a clean finish. Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and apply when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Always spray in a well-ventilated area and wear personal protection equipment. Hold the can about 6 to 8 inches from the surface and apply the 2 to 3 light to medium coats of the filler primer in an even back and forth sweeping motion, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Allow the filler primer to dry for 1 hour before applying the color coat, and apply in the same way as the filler primer was, holding the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface with 2 to 3 light to medium coats until full even coverage is achieved, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Now allow the color coat 1 hour to dry before applying the perfect match gloss clear coat. I again followed the same application process by applying 2 to 3 light to medium coats with 10 minutes between each coat. It's very important to apply each coat as evenly as possible and maintain a wet look throughout for the best paint film consistency. Finally, allow everything to dry for about 2 hours before peeling the tape and removing the paper to reveal your results. The perfect match system consists of filler primer, factory match color coat, and a protective gloss clear coat. We recommend that you follow all 3 steps to ensure a factory match to your vehicle. All right, now the paper is off and things are looking incredible and the color matches perfectly. Now, Perfect Match is a factory match professional base coating that is designed to match the factory applied color. Now keep in mind, this is a pro auto paint system where you have to apply the primer, the color, and the clear coat to get that exact color match, and that's exactly what we did here, and it matches perfectly. Now Perfect Match is great for the damage that we repaired on this bumper, but it's also great for the trim and accessories that you need to paint as well. Perfect Match Pro Auto Paint System is available in a full line of exact match colors for current and late model, import, and domestic vehicles. For more information about the products that we use for this job here and more great products from Dupli-Color, visit Dupli-Color.com.